Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at one of the most exciting comebacks in the world of classic trucks, the 2026 Dodge Lil Red Express. Dodge has finally brought back this legendary hauler, and they did it in a way that pays tribute to the original while packing in modern performance. The first thing you'll notice is the unmistakable styling. Just like the 1978 original, the 2026 Lil Red Express is drenched in a deep, high-gloss red paint with bold gold lettering on the doors. The classic wood bed panels are back, but now they're treated with weather-resistant coatings to last a lifetime. And of course, no Lil Red Express would be complete without those iconic vertical exhaust stacks sticking up behind the cab. This time, made from lightweight stainless steel with an electronically controlled bypass valve for a real deep-throated growl. Under the hood, Dodge made sure this truck isn't just about nostalgia. It's got the muscle to back it up. Powering the new Lil Red Express is a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, cranking out a massive 707 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this isn't just a fast truck. It's one of the fastest trucks ever put into production. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, this beast hooks up and moves. Expect a 0 to 60 time in the low 4-second range, making it quicker than a lot of modern muscle cars. Dodge didn't just throw a big engine in an old-school design, though. The suspension has been tuned for handling, featuring adaptive dampers, and a limited slip differential to keep things under control. Wide 305 Series tires in the rear ensure all that power makes it to the pavement, and massive Brembo brakes help bring this powerhouse to a stop. Inside, the new Lil Red Express blends classic styling with modern tech. The black leather seats feature red stitching and embossed Lil Red Express logos, while real wood trim on the dash and doors pays tribute to the original. A 12-inch digital gauge cluster and a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system bring it up to speed with the latest tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Dodge is keeping this one exclusive, with only 2,500 units being built for the first production run. Each truck gets a numbered dash plaque and a certificate of authenticity. If you want one, you'd better act fast. This is one truck that's going to be a future classic the moment it rolls off the lot.